Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave YouTube channel. Today is May 28th and the chart of the day for today is NVDA. 60 minutes time frame here. So we're looking for the stock to continue to extend higher. That will complete with 5 in the minor degree here in the red color. Then from there we should be getting a bigger risk pullback again to correct the 5 waves. Now we should be close to the earning report sometimes tomorrow. So I think sometimes tomorrow what we can expect is the stock will rally a little bit to finish up with 5 from this low 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from there it will then pull back a larger degree in 3 waves. Okay, now if I zoom out and look at the higher time frame, I'm focusing on the 3 and the 4 in the minor degree. On the daily time frame, that's your 3 and the 4, and this is your 1 and the 2. As we can see a little bit here, the 2 is at 104. So we can expect the stock to rally a little bit more to finish these 5 waves, and then from there we should be getting at minimum a 3-waves pullback, a larger degree pullback. Now there are 2 possible options here in NVDA in terms of the larger time frame, right? So here is the larger degree is either A or 1, right? So this is a larger degree above this minor degree, so this is intermediate degree. So the intermediate degree here is either A or with 1. So if it is, so expect a little bit more upside, then that will be ending either a C or a 3. Either way, you should be getting a risk pullback, right? At least. If it is a C, then this entire rally is corrective ABC, and then it will do something like this, right? Now notice here this pullback is corrective. Look at the overlapping nature of it, and then look at the extension, which is corrective because it does not have any extension to 1.618 and bouncing from the 100% extension area. So this is a bullish market since this pullback is still a corrective pullback. And then so now you have 2 different options, whether we have resumed the trend on the upside, which in that case is 1, 2, and then 3, and then that means you're gonna get a 4 and a 5, 4 in 3 waves and a 5 again, right? That's one possibility. And then in case it is, and then it's going to break the new high if that's the case. The other option will be that this entire rally is a W, is an ABC, and this thing here is a W then, right? So let's call it this way. It's a W here, and then it's going to be, if that's the case, this is going to be ABC, right? And then that will be ending X, and then you're going to be dropping in the Y leg, right? So this is going to be something like this, approximately something like this. Now because we always trade in the direction of the higher degree trend, so most of the time we're going to be not looking for a double unless there is a very strong reason to do it. And so that's why I think most likely, because this is corrective, so there's no reason for us to try to label it as a double. So the primary view is going to be looking for something like this, and then you're going to get a pullback anyway. So anyhow, so expect this leg higher to finish with 5 soon, and then you will get a bigger risk pullback, at least in the form of wave 4, or if this is WX, then it's actually going to reverse like this. But at least there is pullback after we finish this leg in wave 5. Okay, so that's the update here today, guys. And as always, if you want to get more updates on stock, ETF, Forex, commodities, feel free to check out service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day.